for you. Remember, you're trying this out first, and then you're checking out the video to if you're struggling or to see if you're on the right path. So I'm going to do a video for number 1, and number 2 is going to be on your own and checked in class tomorrow. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's look at this ratio problem. It says the ratio of boys to girls in a history class is 4 to 5. How many girls are in the class if there are 12 boys in the class? So I'm going to pull out a highlighter, and I'm going to highlight boys in blue. Boys is said first, so I know that boys has to go with the number 4 since 4 is said first. So I know that boys is represented by the number 4 in this problem. Now I'm going to pull out a highlighter for girls. And I see that girls is represented by the number 5. Because the order in which the labels are said is in the order in which the numbers are supposed to be as well. And then the one thing we really want to pay attention to is reading our question carefully. So it says how many girls, so I know I'm looking for girls. Girls should be my X or my question mark in the class if there are 12 boys in the class. And again, I'm going to highlight my 12 boys in blue because I know that I'm looking at boys again. All right, so now I'm going to set up my ones table because I'm making a comparison. And I need my words, my original ratio, and then now my new ratio. So my words, which are my labels, what I'm comparing is boys to girls. So I'm going to write boys in my first box, and then I'm going to write girls in my second box. I now see that boys is originally represented by the number 4. And girls is originally represented by the number 5. So I make sure the 4 goes with the boys and the 5 goes with the girls because this is our original ratio. We had a ratio of boys to girls 4 to 5. Now the question asks how many girls are in class if there are 12 boys in class. So 12 would be next to the boys. So next to the boys and next to the 4, I'm going to put my new, which is 12. And then I'm going to represent girls with X because I know that this is my unknown value. I need to find it. There's several different ways we can solve this now. We could take 12 times 5, do our bat and ball. 12 times 5, which is 60. And then divide it by 4, but in this case the numbers actually work out really nicely. So we always want to first see if we can find a scale factor, and if not, then we use the bat and ball method, which is basically cross multiplying. So I'm going to go in the direction of X. So I need to go from 4 to 12 because then I need to see how to get from 5 to X. I know that when I take 4 and multiply it with 3, I get 12. So I need to do the same thing to 5 to get the value of X. So I'm going to do 5 times 3, and I know that 5 times 3 is 15. So if there are 12 boys in this class, then my answer, my solution, would be 15 girls. And 15 girls would be my final answer. All right, you're going to try number 2 on your own, and you're going to turn this in tomorrow in class.